कैमरा हो, ट्राइपॉड हो, माइक हो, लाइट्स हो, हर चीज मिलती है चांदनी चौक के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मार्केट में। सिर्फ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिकम अ व्लॉगर लेकिन बजट बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, देन होल्ड ऑन, बिकॉज इन दिस एपिसोड वी विल गेट यू अ प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल व्लॉगिंग किट, दैट टू अंडर 30,000. So let's begin.
Within 30,000 you can get a very good kit. I'll show you the best products. First starting, you need a camera. Camera, I think you go for a GoPro 10. That is a very good camera, and vlogging can be done easily and with a good result, very good result. I'll show you the camera. This is GoPro 9. I have to actually get it from my godown, so I'll show you 11. I'll show you 12, but those are little bit pricey. So even this GoPro 9 is for 24,000. This is light. This is very economical and very good light for vlog. This is RGB light. This will cost you 1,500 only. There's another light which is very good but little bit pricey. This will cost you somewhere around 2,500. This is a very good mic. This is a wired mic, Sony product, LV1, and most of the vloggers use this mic. This will cost you 1,700 only. If you are looking for cheaper versions, then this one will cost you 400 only. This will be a good product. This one, this will cost you 400 rupees only. This GoPro 9, it has an internal mic. Suppose in case you need an extra mic, extra voice or extra sound quality, then you need to buy a mic adapter. This mic adapter, this is for 4,000 rupees. This is necessary. Without this you can't use external mic, first of all. And this I told you, for this for 24,000, this for 4,000, 28,000, and this mic is for 1,700. And this I told you, any mic you can use it, either this or this, but this has a very good quality, so I would suggest go for this mic. Now in case you want light, I would suggest go for this light. This will cost you 2,500 only.
So hope you guys are now sorted. So if you are trying to start your vlogging journey, so has already given us an explanation that if you are under budget, then you can start with the GoPro 9 or 10, whichever suits your budget. He's given you also two mic options. This one has a better quality, while this is a slighter cheaper version of the mic. While he's given also two options for the lighting and has suggested this light. While for your mobile phone or for the GoPro, you can buy this stand. It is extremely cheap. So these were the certain things that you definitely require if you want to start vlogging with the help of a professional camera. While if you want to know कि सिर्फ मोबाइल फोन से किस तरीके से आप अपना व्लॉग शूट कर सकते हैं, that too सिर्फ 3,000 की रेंज में, you need to keep watching our channel.